In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add optional attendees in Outlook. Optional attendees are people you want to include in the meeting invite without making their attendance mandatory. They get the same invite, but it's marked as optional, so they can decide whether to join without holding up the meeting if they can't make it. Here's how to set that up, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook into the search bar, then click the official Outlook website in the results. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your mailbox. If not, sign in with your account to continue. Once you're in Outlook on the web, look to the left sidebar and select Calendar. This switches you from Mail to your calendar view, where you can create and manage events. Next, click New Event. This opens the event creation window. Give your meeting a clear, descriptive title so attendees understand the purpose at a glance. For example, something like Project Sync or Quarterly Review works well. Set the date and time for your meeting. Double-check your time zone if you're scheduling with people in different regions, and adjust the duration or toggle the all-day option if needed. Clear timing helps reduce confusion and avoids back-and-forth rescheduling. Now, to add optional attendees, look for the Attendee section in the event form. You'll see an option labeled Optional. Click that to open the field specifically for optional participants. This is the key. Required attendees belong in the main attendee field, while people who aren't mandatory belong in the optional field. Outlook uses this to mark their status correctly in the invite. Type the email address of each optional attendee into the optional field. As you type, Outlook may suggest contacts from your directory. Select the correct entries to avoid typos. You can add more than one optional attendee here. If you've already added required participants, keep them in the main field so the distinction remains clear. When everything looks good, title, date and time, required and optional attendees, click Send. Outlook will deliver the meeting invitation to everyone, marking the optional attendees accordingly. They'll be able to accept, decline, or mark as tentative, and you'll see their responses in the event details. That's it. You've created a meeting and correctly added optional attendees in Outlook. If plans change, you can reopen the event later, make updates, and send an update to everyone so they stay in the loop.